Hello, future animators, and today we are jumping into graphics inside of Java, which is super exciting. So we are going to start with creating a window in Java. It's something very different from what we've done before. It uses a couple different imports, but this is going to be the basis for everything that we display. We want to have a window for it to display on. So I created a new project and I just called this one graphics, and I'm going to be throwing my files into this one over here. So I'm going to create a new class and I am going to call this one main and then window, main window. So inside of this, I am going to make my template. Right now we've got this whole thing right here. I am going to cut out the junk I do not need. I am going to throw in my, as always, our public static void main string bracket bracket arguments. I'll close that up, and then I'm going to just open that. Cool. So what we want to do is add what is known as a JFrame. A JFrame, Java frame. It's a window. You can use window frame pretty interchangeably. Now, in order to do that, we're going to have to import one of the most important things, which is that actual JFrame. So we're going to import from Java x.swing .J F frame semicolon. So this is going to be our JFrame. We're going to import a couple different things from Java and Swing and another really cool place, the AWT, which is, I forget what it is. But abstract window template, is that it? Abstract window something. Abstract window tools? I think it's abstract window tools. All right. So we've got our public class main window, we've got inside here is our main void, and we now have something that will allow us to make a JFrame. So just like we did when we're importing a scanner or we're importing another method, we need to create a new JFrame. So in order to do that, I'm going to say JFrame, and I want to tab this over just to make this look a little cleaner. Oh boy. Cool. So JFrame is going to be, we'll just call this window, and that will equal our new JFrame, and that's it, our new JFrame. Cool. So now we have window equals new JFrame. We want to set the size for our window. So we're going to say window dot set size. Let's do this 500 by 500. So we're going to make a square. And what this is saying is it's 500 pixels by 500 pixels. This is not using characters like we've done when we're doing formatting. This is totally different. So we are using pixels. So like the screen that I'm on now, it's weird. It's curved. I don't know what the pixels are, but I could make it fit the exact size. But anyways, now the next most important thing that you never want to forget this is window, and this one is another long one. It is default close, default close operation. And that is going to be set to our JFrame dot exit. This is all in caps on close. So this actually allows us to close our window. It's something that you want to do early so you don't forget it, because you do not want to default default close operation symbol not found. Oh boy. Oh, that's I forgot the set default close operation. All right, cool. So now an optional step, we're going to add a title to our window. So we'll do window set title. And that will just be a basic string. You just add a string into it. And we're gonna say example window. You can close that up. Cool. And now the last thing that we have to do before we actually get a window is that we need to say that the window is actually visible. So we're gonna do window.setVisible. If we don't actually do this, then we will not get a window. It's really useful to have windows come up. They're visible, they're not visible. This is the thing that created pop-ups, so I'm teaching you how to create a pop-up, and I feel bad about it. The guy that actually created pop-ups formally apologized to the world. Anyways, we now have all of this information, and we can actually create a window now. So that should be awesome. So let's compile this. It all seems to compile. We're gonna right-click this, click my string, and now it opened up over here, but I have my example window. Look at it, I made a window. So that is your very first tutorial on how to create a window using JFrames in Java. We are going to start drawing in these windows so soon. All right, peace out.